This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Blue Horizon Group. Less than bedroom greater than Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger. Updated ground floor condo with wood-looking tile floors. 2 halves with dining room, breakfast nook and laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. Window blinds and drapery. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, full-size washer/dryer, updated vanities, walk-in shower and amp, ceiling fans. Screened-in patio, community heated pool and amp, tennis courts. Small pet allowed with approval. Close to 95 and turnpike. Ready to move in. For more information, review the details below or contact Blue Horizon Group. Less than bedroom greater than Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger at 772-214-7910.